In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. Before you begin, the first thing you should do is open Wise and check your available balance. Go to the home section, choose the currency you plan to use, and make sure the funds are actually available in your account. This is important because you want to confirm the money is ready before you look at deposit options on Binance. Now, there's a very important point to understand here. You should not send your Wise balance directly to Binance or another crypto exchange. Wise generally does not allow its account balance to be used for this kind of outgoing transfer, and trying to do it anyway can lead to the payment being rejected. In some cases, it could even cause restrictions on your account. So if your goal is to fund Binance, it's better to avoid attempting a direct transfer from Wise balance altogether. Instead, open Binance and sign into your account. From there, go to your wallet, then select deposit and choose fiat. Once you're in the fiat deposit section, pick the currency that's available in your region. Binance will then show you the deposit methods currently supported for your account and location. Depending on where you are, these methods may include bank transfer, card payments, peer-to-peer options, or other local payment methods. If you have a separate bank account that Binance supports, that is the better route to use. In that case, deposit fiat into Binance directly from that bank account, and then use those funds to buy or trade crypto. The key idea here is to use a supported funding method on Binance rather than trying to route the payment through Wise. Before you send any money, take a moment to carefully review Binance's deposit requirements. Make sure the currency is supported, confirm the payment or banking method is accepted, and check whether the account holder details need to match exactly. You should also review any minimum or maximum deposit limits, possible fees, and whether the method is available in your country. This step helps prevent delays, failed deposits, or funds being sent through a method Binance won't accept. Once everything looks correct and Binance clearly shows the deposit method as available for your account, go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit. During this process, Binance may ask you to complete identity checks or additional security verification, so be prepared for that if it appears. After the deposit has been processed, go back to Binance, open your wallet, and check your transaction history. Make sure the fiat balance has arrived successfully before you move on to purchasing cryptocurrency. That way, you can confirm everything is complete and avoid any confusion in the next step of your trading process.